In this video, I'd like to show you how to use tools that are for edge treatment. Let me go ahead and create a part real quick. Okay, great. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to use the first tool called Fillets, F-I-L-L-E-T. What Fillet will allow me to do is round over each one of these edges or corners. So if this is something that I'd like to knock off each one of these corners, I can do that with the Fillet tool. So I'll grab Fillet, and I like to select one corner first, and then once I do that, I've got this little white arrow that I can then dynamically see what that's going to look like. So when I'm trying to conceptually create something, I can just kind of work with it until I see what I like, and then I can see that that's close to 19 millimeters. So I can do that. And once I have it selected, I can then go ahead and pick the other edges, and I can rotate, and I can grab this one. So the Fillet tool will allow me to knock off or round off those edges, and give them whatever dimension you want. I can also go ahead and fill things in. So not only can I knock things off, but if I select Fillet here, then I can go ahead and round off or create a boss or a bigger transition between where this cylinder and this plate actually meet. Fillet can also be used around edges. So now that this is actually a smooth loop, so I have arcs that are tangent in the corner, when I select one edge, it should automatically go all the way around the entire edge. So I can do an entire loop once those edges are already rounded off. So that's the Fillet tool. The other edge treatment tool that we have is Chamfer. Rather than rounding edges off, Chamfer will actually knock them off at an angle. So I can grab the Chamfer tool, and I can pick things like these holes, and I can actually chamfer them or create kind of a funnel shape into the top of them. The only thing that I'm kind of missing here is that white arrow that I can dynamically see what that looks like kind of a little bit at a time. So the only way to actually see that is to come up here and type in something different and then hit enter. Again, enter this time doesn't go ahead and end the extrusion, it just goes ahead and accepts what I have there. So I can say 10, I can go back to 3, whatever it is that I'm looking for to put that bevel or that chamfer on there. And I can do that same thing to here. Chamfer works in the same way. I'm going to come over and I'm going to delete this fillet. So in the same way that the fillet works, I can come up with chamfer, and instead of knocking that off or clearing out an area, chamfer can also build an area as well, just like it can in the fillet tool. So both of them work very similar to each other, but the chamfer will put an angle onto it and the fillet will put a radius onto it. And there's other kinds of chamfers that you can do. This one is a 45 degrees, so the equal distance is there. You also have two different distances, and then you have a distance and an angle. So if I wanted it to be something like 5 millimeters and then 10 millimeters, I could do a chamfer like that. I could also do one that's a distance and an angle. So 8 millimeters at 60 degrees, and it'll create that chamfer for you. So that's really the two main edge treatment tools that we have. We have Fillet and we have Chamfer.